shot like he did. He was lucky. He landed on the green stop onto the grass and had a really shot coming bit of a hole. Just the number 19 on a beautiful delivery of that 16 there, the RBACOE. Scored right, KTM Squad, that's the 20 yards. I'll have the other 3